Today I have used the cream on this color, so we've done it just now. So the cream bleach is from Asian Cream Bleach, is mainly been designed for the roots color. So it is very gentle, and then just comb it through to make it quite nice. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just curl this hair. So the toner, I have used the 1061 and the 1262. That is the Glamour. And we're going to use now the Fromage heat protector, and also this is you can use for the curl holder as well.
Face in your face.
What
the hell is going on down there?
Exactly, I'm using opposite way, like this. Now, sometimes people they're using this way. If you use this way, the curls underneath here is turning a little bit different than the other side. You can do it no wrong or right, but the curls is not going to look same. So for that reasons, always I go that way. I have showed you, it look much better. But if you be using the tongs is quite nice way, you can do it. It's amazing. It's amazing. Look the color.